Hello, welcome to Top Trading Edge Academy, guys. Today is 6th October, market update. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 chart and see what market is look like. Well, similar situation, but today I noticed couple of unusual thing compared to yesterday. And one is, let's get going on. Is support is intact, resistance is also same intact. We are in the middle of island right here, middle of the situation where market is trying to compress here. Market tried to create the demand, and we reached here at the supply area where I see a little weakness, where resistance is right here at market trying to poke to the 379 with the heavy sellers lining up right now. The moment trying to market try to go north, and there was a seller lined up today. There's a lot of pressure down today. So that is what I can see here. 379 is the critical zone right now. We need to cross that to be a little bullish. MACD still is pointing north, but the market was negative. I think market wants to wait for tomorrow job data, but I think the job data good news is could be a bad news, and bad news could be good. All news are basically bad news. Could be a good news. All news could be bad news. You never know. This is how the market is right now. So the news is news. That's what I would say. All news are going to be news. But one thing I noticed today, unusual option activities, guys, are very alarming one right here. What I notice here today on, if you take a look at this is S&P 500 puts December 16 expiry. Look at that volume opened up 24,733 plus open interest. So this many volume has been traded today, plus the yesterday this many. So this number jack up from 4,500 to 25, five-fold more volume, $314 million just on one strike, $500 strike. They spent $314 million today spent on $500 strike. That's a lot of money. It's an unusual option activity. Then same thing on a 520 strike. These are in the money, okay? These are in the money, but somebody bought a put expiring December. Expiry is far, but they are still holding. And this is, they spent another today $130 million. Yesterday they spent $55 million. Today they spent, look at the 9,000 volume. Today another one. So yesterday was 2,000. What does it mean? They added another 4 to 5 fold right here for the jack-up. They look at how many buyer lined up buying all the puts. So the heavy pressure is down. If you ask me, these are unusual option activity. 340 million a day on one strike. This is just I'm not looking at any other strike. This is just the one strike. Imagine how much money people are spending. $340 million on one strike. Okay, so that is something unusual thing notice. And you can also see all the order flow. Look at that, 62 million spent, 21 million on puts. Look at that, guys. These are all puts. This is all puts coming in. SPY 10 million. This is not like 12 million, 1.6, 4 million, 8 million. Normally you can see is like 200,000, 300,000, not like 37 million puts. $37 million spent on a put. This is something like a sky going to fall down or what? Like $31 million. Look at that, man. These are huge numbers. Somebody knows something. Somebody definitely knows something. That's what is cooking here. So this is unusual things. These are all the big block coming in. Look at that, big blocks coming in. These are all blocks. That means somebody knows. Anyway, so that's why I tried to put it in. At least I saw something. I saw, let me put it up in just the one strike, $314 million. You see that? All right. So now you take a look at it, what exactly it is. But just wanted to, that's the point I noticed. So what does it mean? Well, guys, here is the things we need to keep eyes on it. One thing is right here is our support 371. When market takes the 371, there is a gap here. So let me go to so I can show you in a little better way right here. 1 minute chart. So we have a gap to be filled. So let me go to 5 minutes so I can probably show you better. And let me switch up the cloud. Okay, so you see this cloud, there's a gap here, and there's a major support here. 2 days we've been trying here, now going lower. So 371 is a critical support. If we break this one, then we're gonna go and fill the gap, and we could go down, right? And look like M pattern is falling. There's a couple of things I noticed on a 4-hour chart also. Bearish. This is bearish scenario. I'm showing it to you. Okay. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, look at that MACD. MACD is trying to cross now. You see this? It's not yet cross because waiting for the signal 371. If the 371 goes down, we could cross down, and this is a little early indicator of daily chart. So I think we are at the critical stage. If the market breaks 371 based on the pressure coming in from the top, look like there's a lot of weakness coming in, but we are 100% cash. Let the market decide whatever they want to do. We had a lot of home run today, guys, right? We had a lot of fun today. So who cares? Whichever market direction wants to go, that's fine, let them go. But this is the what market looks like to me at this particular point. At these resistance are here, supports are here, and we are in a decision where tomorrow Friday, option expiry, right? So what does it mean? All the bulls are sitting at the top, and then today is the little bear, so bulls are losing money. Let's see what tomorrow brings the game here, because it could be either direction. It could go. It's a lot more thing can happen tomorrow, guys. It could go either north, break the top, or break the bottom. One of the thing can happen, but the pressure, remember that pressure is super duper down. This pressure is downwards right here, but these people have a lot of time left. These market maker, these are a lot of money, man. So people they have a lot of time left. So I don't know when they're gonna do her toilet flush, but one day that happens. I don't know which day would be. Next Friday, could be another Friday. I don't know when would that be, but we have to keep that thing in mind. That's what I can say. But absolutely, guys, welcome everybody to Top Trading Edge, guys. We always go live morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. just like I'm doing my duty to make everyday video and send it to you guys, and you can review that. Same thing, if you guys can share your part of it and share with the community, share with your, just like how we have a Top Trading Edge community, you should have your one, and if you can share with others, sharing is caring, guys. So I need your help. If you go ahead and share with others and make sure everybody can participate into the community, and I need your help. So if you can do that, would appreciate. Absolutely, guys. So see you tomorrow morning. It's free community, right? Top Trading Edge morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. It's free. Join and have a good time and learn. All right. So see you tomorrow morning 9:30. Thanks. Bye.